We've been given the opportunity to see this spot of land get transformed into this.
A new outpatient building for Bethany Children's Health Center.
The construction manager for this project is Manhattan Construction, and they're giving Alex a front row seat to see how a project of this size happens. In this video, we're going to share some project background, details, and a quick overview of the work that took place in the pre-construction phase.
In future videos, you will be able to join us and follow project progress.
We will see different construction trades, meet the people on the construction team, find out about their different roles, and learn more about the mission of Bethany Children's Health Center. This learning adventure started with a safety course. Manhattan requires anyone that will be on site to complete this training.
I learned some good safety practices, and quizzing my dad was kind of fun.
Then we got to visit the build site and meet with the team. Manhattan is the construction manager. That means they coordinate and oversee everything. That includes managing communication between the owners of the project, the architects, and the subcontractors. The owners of this project are the ones the project is being built for. In this case, Bethany Children's Health Center. The architects are the ones who design the building space, making sure it's functional, well laid out, and looks nice. The primary firm for this project is REES Architects, and they are also working with another architect firm named Storyland Studios that is assisted with the concept and theme to make it an inviting place for patients and their families. The subcontractors are the specialists that are performing the actual work. Each subcontractor is selected to perform a particular type of work. Examples include electricians, plumbers, painters, tile workers, and masons. Each of these entities are comprised of several people, and establishing an efficient communication system is one of the keys to a successful project. The construction phase of the project had just begun on our first visit. The site was being secured with fencing, and the grounds were being prepped for dirt work. Before the big activities kicked off, made a perfect time for us to learn about what was being built, why, and all the work it took to get the project to this point.
Also known as the pre-construction phase.
Bethany Children's Health Center has built a national reputation for amazing inpatient care. Those are the patients staying at or residing at the hospital. They also provide outpatient care. Those are the patients that aren't staying at the hospital but are coming in for therapies or other appointments. In recent years, they've experienced an increased demand for these outpatient services, and the space allocated for outpatient care has become undersized.
In 2023, they logged 20,000 outpatient visits.
Around 4 years ago, discussion began about creating a new outpatient space to not only meet the growing needs, but to embrace it as an opportunity to raise the level of services for these patients. The next big step was to engage an architect to help create a vision for this new building. We plan to do a separate video about architects later, so for now, let's keep the summary of their role brief. They gather the ideas, requirements, wishes, and visions for the building and refine those into a design that stays within the other constraints, like budget and available building space.
In short, they start with a blank page and work through all the inputs to design the building.
As the design takes shape, it goes through several revisions and the process of turning concept drawings into working construction drawings. The construction drawings lay out where and how everything is to be built. Along the way, there was a competitive bidding process to select the construction manager. The owner evaluates the different proposals based on cost, but also on the construction manager's ability to perform the job, including criteria such as safety, quality, and timeliness. Once Manhattan was selected, they became deeply involved in the plan revisions and creating a more detailed budget. That included looking for opportunities to save the client money through value engineering.
That means they found ways to save money through alternative materials or construction techniques without sacrificing the project objectives.
Which leads us to another important pre-construction activity, securing funding. This involves the owners obtaining financing and raising capital. The fundraising campaign for this project is called the Landmark of Hope campaign. So far, more than 140 employees of Bethany Children's have made pledges to the campaign, which says a lot about this project and its importance.
That's just a quick summary, and we didn't even mention things like city approvals or permits.
To grow from an idea to full-blown plans ready to break ground took a lot of dedicated people and strong advocates.
So let's get a better look at what this new building will look like.
The building will be 4 floors with 202,000 square feet of space.
That's like 5 football fields of space.
A huge caterpillar will welcome visitors to the building, signaling a peek at what they will find inside, an upbeat atmosphere and a transformative space that helps kids heal and grow.
The new space will allow them to double the number of patients they currently serve.
And while there will certainly be room for all those additional appointments and therapies, it will also be equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, providing new treatments and supports not found anywhere else. But Bethany's mission extends beyond its campus. They also have a community outreach department providing services such as health education and safety programs designed to improve the lives of all children. The new building will be the home of the community outreach department too. There will also be an auditorium, which will serve as an education and special event space. And the theme for the building is Route 66, due to its location on that historic highway. The design incorporates lots of bright colors, natural light, and child-friendly perspectives because healing starts with a welcoming, hopeful outlook. When it's complete, it will be part of a complex that isn't just a children's health asset for the region or the state. It will be a crucial part of a world-class complex and hopefully an inspiration for other future facilities.
It's going to be amazing, and I can't wait to share with you our experiences watching it get built. See you on the next part of this adventure.